Good evening, everyone. Has been another long time we didn't talk about AI writing. So today we grab a chance to share some skills about how we are going to make a change into our writing. So the very first one will be pick a keyword. So I choose this one because my major part of my life maybe is the sewing business. I sell sewing machines and help people with sewing problems. This is my daily work. And maybe in the future, I will shift to website building, blogging, something like that. But I would keep sewing as my very basic business for helping people. For like I build a lot of websites or introduce a lot of methods to improve their sewing skills and introduce the most advanced technologies to the world, something like that. So if you are really good at something, you might consider you keep going on because you stay longer on the industry and then you have more knowledge, have more topics to talk about, and then you can help more people. And also, you ultimately you can use the AI to write for you. This is my opinion because let's see why I picked this keyword. So maybe the first one is the SEO difficulty. Change to English. Um, and maybe I will create a project in similar content flow, and then later you will see how I am going to do this. So this is the SAM, American, USA, okay? Desktop or maybe tablet, maybe mobile. It's not that difficult. So let's choose this one. Why I choose this one? So let me see. The very first is the SEO difficulty. There are three levels. So you can see the color is the green. Maybe this might be a dark mode. Maybe I turn off the dark. It's not that distinguished. So if it's over 80, maybe will be most very difficult. So now it's 40. And then there's another thing, domain authority, and also the links. You can see there's a DA11. They can make a ranking on number 8. Let's check it out. So beginner's guide on how to make sewing pattern to sell or the basic is print. So this is their blog. I like this kind of folding function. So I recently I moved to WordPress website building. That's why I am so busy. So a lot of these things, a lot of H2s. So let's see what is about. So what is waste? So there are from number 1 to number 6, they are explaining a lot of concepts. You know, people want to do something, they need to know what it is, what are the factors to be concerned, to be considered. So they will need to understand the list of something. And usually, if we don't use AI, maybe in the past, maybe we just copy this, copy this, copy this, copy this, and rephrase of these things. But when we have AI, so maybe we can do it in another way, and later we can do the copy paste, and then maybe we have more ideas and have more original concepts to work around on the same topic. That's what I'm thinking about. So in fact, I'm not familiar with this type because I just do the machines part, so I know what kind of a machines can do what kind of jobs. But this is after what I sell the machine. They grab the machine to house, then they start creating thing. So they make a pattern to sell, to saw, something like that. So it's like it's quite a lot like this part of to the saw. Like you have something saw cut to the sawing part. That's the sawing pattern. So in the very beginning, so maybe let's see. This is a very typical AI writing patterns. So I might have AI content. So I have a part of showing what kind of templates to be used in our writing. So sorry, my internet is quite slow today. Maybe I don't know. But we can check. Maybe I include mention the links about what I am going to tell you, and it is a blog mentioning how to do a how to type, how to format of program. But you can totally rely on Wordhero because this AI has been trained very well on this kind of content. Yeah, what is some pattern? What do you need to make a pattern? How to create a basic pattern? How to turn your sketch into a pattern? How to add sim allowance to pattern? How to create your pattern? I love it. Except the most difficult part of this kind. These are instructions to sell. So this part is about selling the pattern. So maybe this part I need. This part I don't. From number 9 to number 11, I don't use texting the pattern, digitalizing and editing the pattern digitally. So it is using some kind of digital sewing pattern, like a sewing setting. they're using like a computer setting for the sewing machine. So that's how it is. Okay, let's see. I think my point is quite good. What is sewing pattern? What is maybe let's see. It's a little what could be concerned. Consider making sewing pattern. So this part will be replacement for this number 1 to number 6 for a PDF sewing patterns. So they are making a PDF sewing patterns. Alright. Pattern making techniques, different types. Basic blocks, pattern transformation, fitting, pattern creating. Alright, so let's see if whether the Wordhero AI can help us with this kind of ideas. What is to be concerned? Maybe voila. Looking for listicle. Yeah. Come. So you're listing something for this questions. Fabric, notions, tools, pattern, size, fitting. Following this is good. So let's import all. And we will make blocks, paragraph. Yeah. And then we are here. If the no, this is a quite small paragraph. I want to be listing something, so maybe okay. Finally, parent site types notions you need like fresh, caesar, and mayoring types. Alright, let's we want to fit well. So okay, fitting. The fit is something. Alright, and now we have. I think I need to expand such words like the listing. So maybe I will do it later for the content optimization, something like that. But today I want to show you this like like this kind of blocks. How am I going to do this? So I copy maybe already copy this here. Alright, and try to make it want to save a little. So the pattern is mentioned too many times already, maybe. So I maybe need to change some pattern into patterns this is how we do SEO with this similar content flow. I will also introduce the software. It has a App Sumo LTD deal, so you can check it out on the description. Here we want to. This is H2, right? They are all H2. Okay, let's see. So the patterns. So the patterns need to be here. And then fashion also can be here. Right? Block, basic block. What you need to make? How to create a basic block? Basic drawing pattern. So this is the basic block. Something like this. Sorry. Sleeve block, piece. Pre-existing block, and then a pattern block. Anyway, I don't even know what is this, but we can just place it here. So it is like a basic drawing pattern. So I knew a little about this. So today we will learn by writing. So when we write about that, and then we learn. When we find out something was wrong, so maybe we can edit. So this one. What you need to make? What do you need to make a pattern? So maybe I am. So maybe some kind of repeating this kind of. So maybe we don't need it. We don't need that. So we just need it. Right. Then we go to the next one. Say some skirt pattern. What patterns? What patterns we can make? Another H2. So skirt pattern. Another enter. Circle skirt. Single skirt pattern. Okay, that's one. Sell your patterns. Another. How to turn your sketch into patterns. How to add a smaller. How to play. How to sell. Okay, maybe we have to make this part. I can avoid that, including sell showing pattern. Sell your pattern. Yes, maybe an S. 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 Sell showing patterns. Okay. Postal wrapping paper. Maybe I missed this part. Postal. No. Add a sharp here to remind myself. Okay. Existing columns, existing item, existing clues, existing patterns. Maybe existing growth. Commercial pattern. Yeah. Commercial showing pattern. Process. Construction process. Yeah, it is. How to kind of get into a pattern. Construction. Learning process, pattern making process. Yeah, I think it's more related and design process. Sure, maybe an update too. Okay, let's see. So we can do this. Not used. All right. It will be a counter creative pattern counter like this. Property, intellectual property rights. Maybe this is like intellectual property rights. This is like a selling claiming. Okay, have it is fits perfectly. Fits perfectly. Yeah, we have a method fitting. So maybe we can fits perfectly here. Measurement, custom measurement, accurate custom maps and measurements. How to create, how to turn your sketch, how to add stream allowance. Yeah, I think this matches. Normal. And the piece clothing items code that fits. Custom clothing. Allow gray patterns. This thing, I think it is about custom clothing. Pieces, pattern pieces. Pattern pieces, pattern pieces. Shapes, basic shapes. Sketch. How to similar lines, basic shapes, body shapes. Both. Okay. Flat. Flat pattern, flat work surface. Flat work surface. I think this is about the concept part. Again, let's do this unused. Alright. So I can see pieces. Sometimes I can do this pieces. Yeah. Pattern pieces. Right? So this is done. Draft. Draft the pattern. How do you make a tiny sketch? This is about this part. Just form. Great, just form. Maybe. Also chess. Chess. Caesar to count. Caesar to count. Okay, this is a cut. Let's do a chess. Okay, maybe how to create, how to turn a sketch. Maybe this part. Just run, maybe how to create. Let's mention about the best interest here. Tracing the view, how the alliance. Ruler to draw. This is about scissors to cut, ruler to draw. Yeah, that's the two part. Method, favorite method. What I said on favorite method. Sketch. Our great favorite method. Maybe to end this part. Learning process. Okay, we can escape this. Learning process. Learning process. Alright. Let's place it here. And maybe selling part. Like you are have a learning process to okay unused. Now it's 24. The better part will be 75, 70 to 80. I think so. I think this one may be 60 to 70. Style, create any style. Favorite? Okay, English. Create any style. How to create your products. Some allowance. How to create any style. Alright. Curve. Tailor. Curve ruler. Have this. Style. Create any style. Okay, this one is done. Perfectly. Fits perfectly. Already done that. I don't know. Step instructions. Step by step. Alright, any style, step by step. And also, we don't want to miss the instructions. Alright, I like it. Trade names. Yeah, definitely the selling part. Hey. Learn pattern. Skills to learn. Okay. Drafting. Love drafting. Drafting. Royal written consent. So in the I don't know, maybe I have to take some time to brief to write and then take some time to understand the real sewing pattern making. Maybe watch a video, maybe read some articles. Now I am showing you how to construct and do the architectural work, building it. pattern pattern alterations. Pattern alterations. I think this can be offspring designers. Okay, it can be upgrade. So destruction. Another unused words. Not working. Alright. Block, basic blocks. What are basic blocks? Alright. I don't think that sometimes it has the singular and double, something like that. Maybe I don't like it. Digital image. Digital image. This part. This part. So it is like concerning how to sell. You have to make it on PDF or something like that. Share image PDF or something like that. Simple skirt. Where it's skirt. Okay. Let's separate a little. Base pattern. Basic pattern. And now is the base pattern. Base. Okay. Let's just do a base. Measurement. Measurement. Measurement is something like this one. Calculate measurement. Calculate. So this one is done. Submit. Minus submit. Submit. Maybe like building a website, something like that. Scratch. Pattern from scratch. How to create. Step by step. Pattern. From scratch. Easy. Alright. Don't worry. Stylize. Sketch. Into cutting and sewing. Yeah, it's all about cutting and sewing. Next. Grading. Pattern grading. How to grade. Okay. Maker. Pattern maker. Pattern maker. Media. Social media. So you can share it. Social media. Love drafting. Where's the drafting? Drafting. This thing I think need to maybe little study to study about scale pattern for scales for sale. Pattern maker pattern for sale. Student tells. Student tells. Student. Yes, to the student only. For the edge. The edge. Is the allowance para sign license price. License price. Production. Hand. Patterns by hand. Okay. Sketch. Poster affiliate. Sounds like a selling point. Okay. Poster affiliate label the pattern. Okay. Also, maybe the label the pattern. Potential customers. Potential customers. Transformations. Pattern transformations. A entity, individual entity. Yeah. Stuffed animal. Animal. What kind of patterns can we make? Stuffed animal. So here we go. Capital applicable. Oh, yeah. Yeah, affiliate has some applicable. Oh, yeah. That's the part of doing this. Unused reduction. Instruction reduction. License plates. Oh, I select this one. Now all of it, all of them overused pattern. Now that. Okay. Pattern. Sorry. I think it's not a big deal. So let's say maybe in the future I need to have a thorough study about this TF IDF score, something like that. Yeah. For now, we focus on how to make this article into a real article. So yes, replace time. Yes. So okay, when you install the Grammarly extension, you have this improving. So let's plug it out with flat word surface. This is not as flat. Only here and even no fraction. Okay, so we have to think about this. What can be done? Can we showing particular fabrics, for example, then use the lock icon. We want to include this. I am still now, if I don't want to manually to do it. So I am now exploring whether this AI can, just include this. But now I can see flat that works. It's already have a fashion. No, that's the problem. But it's not a big deal. Showing pattern typical concept for size. Showing is pattern is from requirement account. Patterns are very used to create repeating designs in fabric. Showing patterns can be used to make clothes. And the fashion. For fashion, people love doing fashion DIY, fashion crafted. Now we are fine with this. This is a most recent skill I have been practicing and using. The AI paragraphs. It is refusing include our keywords. So I am going to train it a little, right? Yeah, that's the same thing. Let's move to the next one. Paragraphs. Yeah, keywords. I don't even care about what I write for now, at least for now. So maybe after I shoot the video, maybe when before I update the content, I will write a little more, or maybe read some kind of other people's articles, like the top 10 articles, and maybe watch a few videos to understand what it is. I mean, you don't just use AI and just simply make the content and publish it without fact checking, without learning anything new, and that's the waste. That's a waste of your time. And maybe you can have some money, but it is wasting your time, and it is not positive way to make money, because in the future maybe people read about your content. Now Google is some kind of releasing the helpful content. If your content is not that helpful, maybe in the future when people read about you are you're writing some kind of bullshit, so your content won't rank, and your website will be, maybe someone hire you to write. So maybe in the future they know you are a fake master, so they won't hire you again. That's ruin your career. That's I have to say this, because I think AI is just a tool. Writing with AI is just a beginning of doing the content creation. It is just make something together, and we have to make something meaningful and helpful, maybe beautiful in the future. With some kind of design, some kind of reading pleasure, something like this. Maybe it is a pleasure that you can see the colors, okay? The colors, the layouts. It is very comfortable for me at least. So I think okay, I like this. Yeah, the green and the yellow and this is like a colorful thing. So I love it, and maybe other people also love it too. Right? That's the real content creation, and this is just not a word game. You just put some kind of word, and then generate a lot of sentence, a lot of paragraphs, and make it an article. Then you publish. So yeah, here again, then we repeat. Then I don't want to. Okay, this time is successfully. Okay, thanks. All of this. Done. Amazing. So let's do it again. Do it again. First of all, let's do this first. Nah, I mean, this is necessary. So I just want to try it. Okay. In fact, I just read fit well, and I think fit well and fit perfectly. I think it's the same thing, maybe. Google can understand that. But this kind of keyword coverage score, this torturing me like that. Okay, so one sentence, now three paragraphs. This is AI. Okay, welcome to the world. Okay, both upright. Oh yeah. Oh, it's again. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. This is okay. That's good. So we are here doing this. We are going to put this. Let's try it now. None of this had been creative cutter. Maybe one by one. One by one. Sorry. I didn't highlight this one. Okay. With a little patience and some practice, anyone can learn how to solve. First, you need to create a showing pattern. This can be similar, daunting task. This is too typical AI writing. So we need to definitely we need to maybe like daunting. All you need is a creative mind, a curve cutter, scissor to cut, ruler to draw, poster paper cutter. Alright, now I'm going to use this one. Then we are going to make this. Okay, none of this, everyone of this. Okay, first, second, finally. We have to, at last we need to rephrase this. But during this time, I'm not going to perfect this kind of stuff. So let's see. Oh, what kind of content is this? Never mind. This is changing something. Scissors to cut. What about scissors? Yeah. Alright. Maybe we want to import this kind of a pattern, scissors to cut. That's the pattern of mailing tape, thread for sewing, something like that. Can it happen? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Some kind of like this. Something like this. Okay, now look at why we are now having 1,400 words. That's a lot. That's going to make a lot of you know when the words reaching this number, money. That's the money. That's the payoff. Alright, now the most trouble part. Base by I think in this part. First, this part first. Pretty blocks. And then here we go. No, here, keyword. Okay, let's do this. And then maybe from here we delete it. and save it here, maybe just in case. All right, most part of this, I just put it down step by step. Yeah, so grab some files. Plus, this great way. Step by step. Imagine from form fitting jazz to crazy step by step, step by step. I think this one has done step by step. Production. Production. This can be production. Yeah. The base. Let's come to the front base. Imaginable. So grab some from the base. Falling down, I know. Okay, this is a kind of sleeper, basic blocks, body block, body shapes. Leave this far into this. From the base, I think the base is not. It's not like a basic. Study. Okay, forget the base. Ah, something like okay. Telegrams. So two is missing. I know. Two is missing. Okay. How do you kind of step into a pattern? And then pattern making process. I want to import some kind of content into some part. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Now the keyword inclusion is what was better than I expected for this article. Okay, draft pattern. The process draft pattern love drafting license price. Page lines. Pattern making process. Alright. Just in case. So let's do this. Go back. Copy. Maybe the Rocky icon. Okay. Rocky icon is not. Maybe just do it twice. First, draft the big process. Love drafting process. Alright. Rocky icon. Happy. Miracle happy. Please. So also the first steps. Take the basic blocks. Okay. Basic shapes. There will be a repetition about when it comes to something like that. So never mind, we can do the improvement after the writing. Oh my god, this one not happen. Draft pattern. Whether draft has been a just a basic pattern. Alright, I like it. It doesn't need a 100% basic shapes. Maybe shapes, simple shapes. Alright, this is done. I don't want to 100% repeating this kind of stuffs. You know, Google can understand you are using a software to create, so you need to be like something. Basically, you use the keywords in other forms, in other places, in other like other related content, related paragraphs, but you mention the same thing. So it is a safer way to create content. Don't make it like paranoid. So you have to 100% the same, 100% exactly match this kind of keywords. Don't follow that pattern. So we are also having another content here. This 46 trial. New direction. In fact, I don't understand. I don't quite understand this before. So maybe I will mark down and then later after finish the writing, I keep on searching and keep it studying about what kind of content it should be embedded, something like that. An option is a temple is jumping. Okay. Don't know why it's going to do like this. Okay. Okay, I got it. For the shapes, still cannot. So I will look for shapes. Where is the shapes? Simple shapes. Okay, let me inspect this. All these shapes. Keep in mind you will need a prior written content from the original command zone as required. Basic pattern you can make to create a pattern. Need to trace your sketch into paper. Cut out the body shapes. Cut out body shapes. Yeah. I remember this kind of content should be like this. So now we've been 70 minutes. Okay. So 100, 1700. Make it fast, maybe. Maybe fast. Okay. Mm-hmm. Three of them. ODS with the measurement maps and measurement. This part is mentioning a measurement. Just add it. Use the log icon, and this I think this is the right way to use the log icon. you know, lately just try this kind of. Okay, maps. Measurement I think has measurement maps. Maps is not that difficult. Maybe you should lie a little during the content, but I want to push the AI to write for me. So when this maps is up here, so maybe this not that important because this is also kind of a singular keyword. So I would do another paper for this. It's called entity, what we call entity for searching, entity search, something like that. So maybe we usually want to use this kind of keywords. Okay, so this is exactly this we can say this is a entity. So keyword research, entity research. This I think I want to distinguish similar content pro from Ubersuggest because they are quite different. They provide the material for writing is quite different. So I want to distinguish. So later I should write a little thing about this kind of content. But eventually the method is the same. No matter you are using an entity or maybe a keyword, we are using some kind of the same method, same tools to make the AI to write for us. How to create new patterns? This time maybe we try first and see whether the AI is smarter. Maybe recently the AI is may update a lot. Maybe they are solve the problem and didn't tell me. Alright, let's try in case backup. Hey, alright. So pattern grading, favorite method, password chest, maybe this one. Okay. Done. Not done. Yeah. Okay. So yes, delete it. Another one. Try. Look like a miracle happens. Try this again. Yes. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. To sell your product. Maybe this time I need to you know, separate this kind of into another H3 to divide the content to separate them. So here, here, step by step, website, maybe organic, okay, yeah, social media, copy, okay, 对 please. All right. Pattern maker, pattern transformation, pattern for sale will be the first part. Digital image. Maybe social media. Social media. Okay. Your websites, channels, channels. Mm-hmm. Selling pattern. Create the pattern, selling the pattern. Digital makers, pattern makers, pattern makers. Okay. First, use this one. Mhm. Digital images. Sales showing patterns. Prototype of patterns. Oh, I delete. Never mind. It happens now. Label the pattern. Label the pattern. Why not? Great way. First, you need a prototype for label the pattern, cell pattern, digital images, SERP images. And the very first part, yeah, if you show the first, let's do this. Okay. How? Okay, digital. Show pictures to digital images. Sure. You can share it and have the payment. Okay. This one is done. Self-sorting patterns. I think at this time where you can border, why not? Extra money, get started in pattern maker. Chance you fall. Make some extra money. Sell your label. You need to create a prototype of it and label it. Label it. I think these are some kind of applicable. Mm-hmm. Little right. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Label. Scaling is on balance. Okay, this one. Sorry, this one is done. Let's do this one. No, no. Okay, let's try. Let's read something about clear one pattern and clear word intellectual property. Right. Characterize behavior cells. Protect your pattern, your creations. Alright, I don't want to 100% matched. I don't like it. So this content is okay for me. Maybe it's okay by Google. Okay, let's do next. Organic skill to learn pattern drafting, commercial showing pattern alternatives. Or, or think who's clear marketing who's is okay. Doing affiliate marketing process. So we use the pen icon this time. It has the the pattern. So the pen icon can you will have them generating the same kind of content. So let's do online comment to describe people, skills, and learn pattern crafting and learning process. Unblocking commercial showing pattern. Trade names, pattern for sale, commercial trend, pattern transformation, certain products, pattern alternatives, crafting, trend crafting. Do the last one. No. The last one. Okay. So maybe at the end of the content, we don't need to be that strict. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm thirsty. So 1, 2, 3. Yes. Skill to learn with discuss qualities and diverse. Skill to learn. Way to learn, okay. Crafty, okay. Another one. Yes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Rocky icon. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Go home. This is your home. No one. Again? No one. Now no one. Maybe sometimes the block paragraphs, it doesn't work as we expected because they think some kind of entities are not meant to be exactly the same. Because this one is, I think it's something like, broader meaning. So they will transform the words, the entity, into some kind of similar forms, some kind of replacement of these keywords or entities. This is how the AI works. It's still weird. It's still not perfectly 100% including the keywords as we expected. But it is fine. If you want to track like this learning process, you can find it process of earning and commission by promoting people's products. When you do affiliate links, the time and effort to learn about to put to work pattern transformation. But this part is not that good, I think. doing affiliate marketing posts. It's not relevant to the content, so it is just a way. I think I don't want to mention a lot of this for as focusing on affiliate marketing. I want to the content focus on showing pattern. Right? Yeah, a lot. There will be other people. Like this time, I will be writing other people doing the showing affiliate marketing. I think you can reach out and talk about operation for pattern alterations, transformations. It's quite similar, but my and transformations and they would have to help their customers for the learning process. Okay. This is a manual with the okay. So this one is done. Let's go back here. Video. Oh my god, where's this part? I think okay, number one. Social media individual may not potential customers. Okay. So you need to shorten the you know this exactly repeating this paragraphs. So you need to some kind of shorten this H3. I want to make it an H3, you know. You need to think about how to shorten. Yeah. Okay, the other two. Let's go for the second one. It's done. So we delete it. Firstly, secondly, finally, okay, none of this. H3, H3. calling H3. Okay. H3. There are a few key organic methods you to join TPO first and make sure the AI is. It happens because the AI is going to save your content, and then if you some kind of a refresh your page, and then maybe some operations cannot be saved, and it will reset as original. So that's why I am doing this. Okay. All line may not submit. Made active social media 需要 attract people to submit. So this moment, you only need to focus on the submit. Okay, submit. I'm rolling. I have to. I don't know. Increase an email list. Email list. Student. I think I've missed the part. You can be a student. Share them your free patterns regularly via email. Email list. Maybe your email list. Some kind of this. Now the last part. The very last pieces. Okay. I think most part of the keywords almost say the entities are used exactly the same, but maybe I don't want to insist 100% matched. So let's go. Let's go for each pattern, commercial pattern, patterns for sale, trainer. Oh, which one? Sorry, my mistake. So let's do this. If your skills set a minimum chase pattern for the executions, pattern tree names, okay, patterns for sale, commercial, showing patterns, commercial pattern, 100%. Alright. In fact, you can manually just do a little change for the pattern. So for the content, then you can have these keywords exactly the same. I can assure you, it is really easy for the Wordhero AI to do this because the content is quite related. Okay, let's do this. Finally, the conclusion. And maybe we lack some kind of, the introduction part. Something like this part. Wondering how to do. So this part. Let's enjoy the, you know, intros. Sometimes I think that blog intros is kind of like this one, blog paragraphs. So I don't think so going to be a really quick intro. Maybe not that perfect as we expected, but anyway, it is a start for us to improve. Hey, this one is A2, don't make a mistake. Time and effort you can allow you to make common body type. Okay. I think that's acceptable. Maybe not the excellent, acceptable. So, paragraphs conclusion. Yet, it is really easy because it's a very typical. So, once is the typical for the AI, nothing will be difficult. That's why I love to, use a template, use a kind of a pattern, to do the work. Now, we have the conclusion. Maybe double. Making your pattern become way to fit you perfectly. Save money, need to buy since you only need to buy one. You only need to find someone with a little practice. Okay, that's the part you know. The first part maybe I usually grab 1, 2 conclusions together because I didn't mention it before. So today I show you. I double click those. I apply them both. and then I might change a little in the beginning the common part. I delete one of the common parts, so you can form a longer, more call to action conclusion. So now we are having 3,148 words, maybe less than less than 3,000. Some kind of that. I have to shorten some part of this part. Yeah, somehow like this song, right? Yeah. I don't know. The AI is maybe you know you know go- generate a code for me. Something I don't know. This is the bug. So not a big deal. Uh huh. Here we are again. I don't know where this colors comes from. Okay, I don't know. Eventually, I think this article is great. So maybe I should look into this part to sell to have a better improvement to sell the articles to sell the patterns as well as this article want to introduce people because when it ranks here, so maybe people the Google thinks that people want to make a pattern and then most of them want to sell it or maybe most of them want to purchase from uh, crafters, something like that. So people can have something to to be sure to share of my content like this one. So it is helpful for other people and also maybe the content is a little long and it is available for me to like embed some kind of videos. It doesn't matter if I embed other people's video. Just like you want a way to how to create a basic, we can search the YouTube. I have so many channels to be explored. Something like this. And then this this kind of this one I love this channel. Yes, I love this channel. They are making the videos very useful and creative. And the last step, maybe let's go back here and then replace the old pattern, old content. Eventually, yeah, we are optimized, 59.96. Every single keyword used. Some even, oh no, applicable skill. Oh, I did delete this one line skill. Now I think I have skills. Yeah, two of skills. No worry, doesn't matter. Applicable student. Okay, maybe I don't know why this is the H2. It should be normal. So you can see 2.2 TF-IDF score. I think it is acceptable. Let's do ranking predictor. Sewing pattern, custom pattern, sewing pattern, fabric of your garments. Okay, sewing pattern, 86 relevance. Custom sewing pattern, relevance. Fabric sewing pattern, relevance. Pattern making. Okay, pattern based gray or clothes. Social media platforms. First step, sim allowance. Okay, I think readability, I guess this should be okay, B 71. The should be each sentence should be 17 words. Words per sentence is fresh, 50 point. Sentence per words per sentence, 15.3. All right. Shorter than I expected. I love it. But I can make it a little more shorter. So that's easier to read. But it has some kind of difficult contents, some kind of the words are difficult to understand. So the readability will be a little difficult to improve, but no big deal. We can make it an A, with a lot of efforts. Maybe next time I will talk about how to improve this part and make it more readable and improve this part of contents. Okay, friends, for tonight. So this kind of a content is created, and then we don't need to do. I posted in the very early time. I posted content that we learn from this part and then improve from similar content pro. That's optimizing the content after creating. Okay, now we firstly pick the keywords, the process pick the keywords, and secondly we generate some kind of outlines and test one or two paragraphs, see whether the AI is performing very good at this topic. If it is very good, so we can use less content. If it's not that good, if it has a problem to generate the content, maybe it's better to finish the whole the whole article and then try to optimize. But most of the time, in most cases, we just finish a simple task, and then we move here, and then we add. We do the topic modeling, embed this kind of entities. I call entities. What is entities? Okay, Forgive my Chinese English. Okay, so the words here we can classify and assign them under different H2. So we use them to the keyword assistant, and then we highlight our H2. Okay, then use the block paragraphs, the locky icon to generate the content. Eventually, we are going to enjoy the real Wordhero AI, real one, the original one, the one that Jeff Tai and introduced in their very first introduction video. I love this so much. I like it very much. I think this is a great. Yes, I admit that I use it a lot, but I also recently I didn't post any videos because I want to test, and the test is great. So today I share with you. So maybe in this way, keywords, blocky icon, H2s, and this kind of this SERP analysis. So it is analyzing the top 10. This is let's see how it is. It is like a reverse engineering the top 10 of the keyword Google keyword search results top 10. So this 1, 2, 3 to 8 is all has been analyzed, and these keywords we put here, it is a must. They are must to be presented in the same article. One word, 2 words, 3 words. Maybe you can also export this and formatting. But I don't think this is a good idea because I love the filtering. I love these filter topics. The unusual one, you can always do it like refresh it, and then you assign this one here, assign that one here, something like that. Then you finish the content. Okay, this is how it works. So maybe 59.56 unit. We are much better than our competitors. Now competitors, the top one, let's say, it's quite slow. Sorry. The top one is 23. WikiHow.com. Yeah, that's a great. I think that's a great website. Everyone's searching there. How to make this, how to make that. So we can learn a lot from them. If you want to write something about how to, this one is this. You can search it first and have some inspirations, or maybe have some studies, research, and then you write. I think this website is perfect. So, free backlinks. It is quite a little different from this one, So in the domain authority links, I don't know where this 81,000 backlinks comes from, but maybe it is the whole website topic backlinks. I don't know what is the algorithm, what is the calculation. I don't know. But this one is showing, I don't know. This one is showing the backlinks A. Okay. The other 16, 5, some even 0. Okay. That's 0. Oh, I'm really thirsty. I can't, you know, it's the sleeping time. Okay. Thank you, everyone. And literally, I don't know. The war is crazy. Here in China, we have a fire, forest fire. In Pakistan, we have friends and brothers who lost their house. And in Europe, people are worrying about the war, worry about the winter, the cold. The winter is coming, you know. And maybe tonight my 2 hours work can help you a little. I think now I can grab water and have a good sleeping. And also, I wish you have a good day and have a bright future and peace. Thank you.